For parents made sure their pets are also safe from the wrath of Typhoon Karina. In these photos, rescuers in Manila helped residents to get their pet dogs safe from the flood. They were brought to the boats to ensure their safety amid the bad weather. The People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals or PETA reminded pet owners not to leave their fur babies if they need to evacuate.
Ang naging problema based sa mga videos na nakita ko, ang naging problema was with the cats because hindi daw nila mahuli yung cats nila. And may mga videos na pinakita na yung lumulubog na yung house and they were trying to get their cat pero tumakbo yung pusa sa very top of the antenna ng house kasi may TV antenna eh. Umakyat siya doon so hindi na nila nakuha. Umalis na sila. Naiwan yung cat. So may video ng cat habang dumaragasa yung flood nasa taas ng antenna. Lang doon, oo.
Pero in kabuuan, in general, nakita naman natin yung efforts din ng mga rescuers, ng mga
doon ako
volunteers.
saluda sa effort, pero nadismaya ako sa mga ibang fur parents. Kasi
may mga balita din kasing gano'n.
May isang dog na pinakita na iniwanan ng fur parents. O sige, kung iniwan mo, sana iniwan mo sa safety. Nakatali pa sa house kung saan ang flood. Wag naman gano'n kasi wala naman silang laban.
Pero yun nga, yung sinasabi ko kanina, nakakatuwa din yung mga efforts ng rescuers at volunteers na masagip hindi lamang of course tayo, yung mga tao, but of course yung mga animals na I'm sure natatakot din sila at that particular time. Hindi rin nila alam, di ba, nakapanik din sila, hindi rin nila alam kung ano yung nangyayari sa paligid nila.
Wag natin mamaliitin po ang buhay ng isang pet because they are also creatures of God. And minamahal din ng Diyos lahat, di ba?
Exactly.
Alright,
no one gets left behind.
No one gets left behind, okay? And let's move on.